How are you today? I'm reaching out because you expressed interest in learning more about testosterone replacement therapy. Do you have a few minutes to discuss this?
Yeah, I've got a few minutes. What's up?
May I start by asking what brought you to consider testosterone replacement therapy?
Just losing some energy, low sex drive, losing some muscle.
I understand. Have you noticed any specific symptoms that you're concerned about?
Just the ones I mentioned.
Thank you for sharing. Are you currently undergoing any treatment or medication that we should be aware of?
I take some supplements.
Thank you for letting me know. Can you tell me what are your main goals or expectations from this therapy?
Hopefully, a little more energy.
I see. Is there any other medical history or information you think is important for us to know?
I don't think so. Is this expensive?
All right, thank you. Based on the information provided, I can suggest we set up a free consult with one of our specialists who can answer any questions you have about testosterone replacement therapy. Would you be interested in that? I completely understand that cost is an important factor to consider. We strive to make our therapy accessible. During the consult, we can discuss our different plans and pricing options that could fit your budget. Does that sound good to you?
I'm not sure I really want to talk about this over the telephone.
I understand that discussing medical information might not be comfortable over the phone. We respect your privacy and preferences. We offer the option for an in-person consultation where you can discuss this matter more comfortably. Would that be a better option for you?
Yeah, that would be a better option, but I'm not sure I have time.
We completely understand that your time is valuable. We offer flexible scheduling options to fit your schedule and lifestyle. We can find a time that works best for you. If you'd like, we can proceed to schedule the in-person consult now.
I'm not sure about this. What if I have questions?
We'd be happy to answer any questions and address any concerns you have. We're always available to help in any way we can. If you'd like, we can schedule a no-commitment consult where you can learn more about testosterone replacement therapy, our services, and what we can do for you. Would you be interested in that?
I would, but can I just take supplements instead?
Supplements and testosterone replacement therapy serve different purposes. Testosterone replacement therapy is a medically supervised treatment that's intended to replace the testosterone your body is not producing enough. Supplements, on the other hand, aren't subject to the same level of regulation and could potentially be less effective than a prescribed therapy. During the consult, we can discuss these options in more depth and determine what would be the best fit for your individual needs. Would that be okay with you?
Yeah, do I need to get labs or anything?
Yes, before we can proceed with any treatment, we need to have a better understanding of your individual hormone levels. This will involve a simple blood test which can be done at one of our partner labs near your location. As a special offer, our lab assessment is available for only $99. During the consultation, we can discuss this in more detail.
Okay, let's do it.
Great. I am happy to help you schedule the in-person consult if you would like. Or if you prefer, I can have one of our representatives get in touch with you at a convenient time. What would work best for you?
Yeah, let's schedule it right now.
Wonderful. Before we proceed, could you please provide me with your contact information and availability? The next available slot we have is on Thursday at 2 p.m. Should we book you in for that slot?
Definitely, let's do it.
Great. I have scheduled you for an in-person consultation on Thursday at 2 p.m. Our representative will email you the address of the nearest partner lab and any additional instructions. Is there anything else that you would like to discuss or any questions that you have before we end our call today?
No, I think that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad that I could assist you today. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
What did you say?
Bye bye. Thank you.